What's up? What's good, everybody? Got this little thing today. Oh, so let's see what's in it. Nothing too fancy on the first one. Later, guys.